This is an Athearn, Atchison, Topeka, and Santa Fe passenger FP-45 powered diesel locomotive. It's number 5940. And it's brand new, just old stock. I just broke it in today. I have let it run for roughly about 45 minutes. I just have a little Bachmann transformer that I'm testing. And it runs. Takes up a whole lot of power to do so though. It's a bit noisy. But when there's stronger transformer, it might be better. Light works. I will indicate in the description whether or not the accessories package is available. That has the couplers, the coupler mounting kit, I imagine the horn and all the other detail parts. I don't know for a fact that it came with it. This is a consigned item and it's not in the box, but he does have some of the little Athearn envelopes that have not been opened. So I need to go through them and see if one of them has the handrails and all that good stuff for this particular locomotive. But as you can see, it does run backwards and forwards. Not sure how long he's owned it, but he didn't run it. I just removed it from the package today for the very first time. Santa Fe 5940, up for sale at ShowMyHobby.